Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do rational numbers class 7, 8, 9 foundation. So let's start with our new lesson, that is rational numbers. I am writing number like this only. Now, what's meaning of rational number? How, from what name it is derived? Right? So we have these many doubts. So, rational. See, the word rational is derived from the word rational is derived from the word whose name is ratio. Okay, the word rational is derived from word ratio. From what? From word the word as ratio. After that, we will understand how we can write ratio. So, here, see, the main steps are, let us take example of A upon B. A upon B. So what are A and B? What are A and B? Now A and B are called integers. They are integers over here. Okay. And there is a main rule that B never becomes 0. If B equals 0, the answer is undefined. Okay. So here A and B are integers and B must not be 0. Okay, B must not be 0, and both A and B are what? Integers. What are both A and B? A and B are both integers, and main concept is B never becomes 0. B never becomes 0, okay? After that, okay, B 0, B is not equals to 0. So here we can write 1 in the form of fraction, right? 1 upon 1, 4 upon 4, 2 upon 2, and so on. Okay. Now how to write 2 is 2 upon 1. It's mean 2. How to write 3? 3 upon 1, and so on. Okay. Now we can write it as n upon 1. What we can write as n upon 1? See, n upon 1 here indicates n natural. Okay. Here n indicates what? What n indicates? Natural number. What? Natural number. Okay. We can write n upon 1 as natural number. Right? Now, what is the next step? We can understand that there are rational numbers including 0. 0 is a rational number. What is 0? 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Okay. So let's move to next. Next is we can write rational number in the form of P upon Q. We have listened many times that P upon Q in rational numbers, right? So in questions also. So what these P and Q indicates? These indicate that these both are the these are both the fractions. Okay. Both P and Q are fraction. P and Q both are the fractions. Now, basic form of fraction. Fraction's basic form is numerator upon denominator. Numerator upon denominator we can write. Now next is how a rational number, I'm writing here short form n. Rational numbers. How are rational numbers? So here's two answers, positive and negative. This stands for positive. And minus stands for negative. Okay. These are positive and negative. Okay. Now, next is Q. Here, if we take P upon Q, example, Q should not equals to 0. Okay, Q never will be 0. Okay. Q is never 0. Okay, now see, Q is not 0 in any conditions. Now, two important properties of rational number. Important, I am writing. I am in short form. Okay. Sorry. Now, rational number is said positive if the numerator and denominator are both positive. Now, numerator means, let us take numerator 14 and let us take denominator 8. Both are positive, right? Both have positive symbols. If there is not any symbol, we can identify them whether they are positive or they are negative. So, okay. If here 8 was negative, it is said as negative. It's said as negative. Understand? It is called negative. If there was no means, if there was no negative sign, it's a positive. It is said as positive. Understand? Now, what are the next our understandings? Okay, here positive, here negative. If negative, it's negative. If positive, is positive. Okay. Now, two important properties of rational numbers. Two important properties of rational numbers. First is equivalent. Rational numbers. Now we are going to see equivalent rational numbers. Okay. Now see, P upon Q both means P upon Q is a what? P upon Q is rational number. P upon Q is rational number, and M should not equals to 0, means M is non-zero. Okay, it's non-zero. M is what? M is non-zero. Okay, understand? ठीक. Now step. Now you will say that, ma'am, where M will come in this P and Q. Yeah, it comes under P and Q to make both equal. Means see, P upon Q we can multiply M by M, right? Means P into M upon Q into M. Simple, right? Over here. And next is what? Next is property 2. Property 2. Its name is reduction. What's mean by reduction now? Reduction means reducing. To reduce. Okay, reduction means to reduce. Okay, now see, reducing to lowest form with a common divisor is known as reduction. With what? Common divisor is known as reduction. Is all known as reduction. Okay. It is known as reduction process. Now, what's happening? I want to select all. It needs a common divisor. Okay. Now, let us take example. See, first we will take hard, means minus 40 upon 68. Here both are even numbers, so we can divide it by 2 easily. 2 minus 20s are 2. 34s are. Here we can write minus 10. Here we can write 7. It's reduced form. Okay? It's reduced form. Understand? These were the examples. Now let us take yet another example like 56 by 12. It's positive. We can do it. Here we can do a 6. 2 6 are 12, right? 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6. Then 2 9s. Two 9s are 18. Now you will say it is 9 by 18. So how we can do it? It's 3 1s are 3 3s are. Just it needs common divisor. Here it needs just a common divisor. So hence our answer is 3. Understand? It's known as reduction. Now, rational numbers in standard form means lowest form, and we have to divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF. Okay. Rational numbers on a number line, we all know that, but for instance I'm going to show you. So here what is there in the middle? It's 0, and after that here are all positive, like 1, 2, 3. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 6, and so on, but what? Positive. And here all should be negative, like -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Okay, all negatives lie on left side and all positives lie on what? Right side. All negatives lie on left side and all positives lie on right side. Ignore this because something is happening. Okay. Now, comparison of rational numbers. You will see comparison. Comparison. Now, there are two processes: number line, number line, and second is arithmetic.